Yo, say what's up to the camera, man. Yes, sir. You know what I mean?
Daily thing, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boom. Boom. These niggas sweaty as shit, bro. God damn.
Worth a couple $100 mil, no thousand. This bitch wanna fuck me, but I charge by the hour.
Hey, what you doing there, buddy?
Oh, we do abs, cardio, all that all together, and then backwards cardio.
Backwards cardio?
Eyes closed.
Eyes closed. What does that train? The peripheral vision?
Your mental.
The mental? CNS.
Your photosynthesis and your hypothesis.
Yeah.
Your feet gotta go home after that one.
Yeah, buddy.
He got a mask on. What the fuck? He didn't know COVID ended.
Low key, it's still March 10th?
March 10th,
2020. Yeah. COVID just hit yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got 2 cases.
Honestly, to be honest.
Yeah.
Hey, predictions for the presidential election. Who do you think is gonna win? Donald Trump or you got Kanye?
Hey, Kanye actually running?
Yeah, he's running, bro. Yeah.
I got Bernie Sanders.
All right, hey. One thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this back a whole year later and see, where the presidential election's at, where the world's at with COVID. So, all right, bet.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Just Cobra, and today I'm about to take y'all through my bench session. And honestly, today, I was just feeling it, so I was confident I was about to tackle the 315 as the title that you read. So first off, we did just one set of 45 plates, but I didn't show it here. And then what you're currently seeing right now is 225, so that's 2 plates. And you know me, man, I'll be busting these reps, light work, nothing crazy, just to get the blood flowing and stuff. So boom, you know what I mean? I knocked that out, and then my homie's about to knock it out too. So I got my boy Bushra, he about to knock out 225. Now, he a little weaker than me, so this ain't too easy, but the boy been getting it, no cap. Hey, shout out to you though, bro. Once you start bulking, you finna be busting these hoes, no cap.
Trappy might do on the south side of the HOU. Hold up, let's take it back to that room. No car, but still had drop. Just 100 niggas standing outside. Life's a beach with a lot of sand on the lot. I'ma ride for all my niggas, ever here by my side. It was just 8 niggas in a 2-bedroom, no leg room. That was last Junior, yeah, for real.
Then we got the boy Pancake over here. He busting out 225 as well. Now I was low-key surprised because last time I seen him, he wasn't easily able to do 225. But now, I'm kind of proud of the boy. He busting out these reps easy. Look at him. Yes sir, easy, no cap.
Fuck what they talking about, they ain't talking about. We them niggas there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I didn't notice.
Hey, talk to the camera for me, man.
Warm up first set.
Yeah. This is not even warm up, but we're just getting the blood pumping and shit.
Yeah, we're warming up for the warm up.
Yeah. Prerequisite for the requisites.
Alright, now in our second set, I'm currently doing 2 plates and 20 pounds added on, so that's about 265 pounds. And this is nothing crazy. I like to do about 5 sets when I bench. So the first set, the actual set was 225 as you've seen previously. The second set was 265, which is what you're seeing right now. And 5 reps for each set. Knock it down, boom, nothing crazy. And I gradually like to increase the weight as the set goes on.
At the hospital, that made me nervous. Still step out the.
Now right here, I'm currently doing 285, and honestly 285 used to be my heaviest set, so I'm kind of content with the way how I'm progressing over the last few weeks and months. So I knocked out 5 reps as well. But as I was going through these sets, I was like, you know what, bro, that 4th set, I'm gonna go 295, right? Never did it before, keep that in mind. But you about to see right here that I'm gonna knock it out.
Y'all looking for Cobra trains?
Spot him.
I'm gonna give y'all this train.
Hey, you can't spell Cobra trains without PEDs. Let's get it, Cobra. I asked this nigga, did you take Pfizer or Moderna? He said TRT. I was like, that's not the question. Hey, bro. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cobra Show. Let's go. Come on.
Easy, come on.
Come on. P. I was trying to get him to spell out PEDs, man. That was solid though.
Did you miss your morning dose? Let's go. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Easy. Get a good song in. Come on. Raw dog in it. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. Easy.
Come on.
Easy, come on.
This is just Cobra. Thank y'all for watching to the end of the video. I'm gonna catch y'all later.